Alright, so I've got all of the new 2025 Americana colors lined up right here. I've got a little bit on my foam plate, and I always like to do a test when I get new paints in to see how transparent and opaque they look, how they look on black and how they look on white. That's going to give me an idea of how my paints are going to look. You could also do it on a gray. If you have a gray paper, that would give you a really good test as well. So we're just going to start right off and go right down the line, and I'm going to put a stroke of paint on each paper, and then I'm going to come back and redo that stroke once it dries on half of it so I can see how one coat looks and how two coats look. So I've got my damp brush here. Make sure I don't have extra moisture in it, and we're just going to start with this beautiful lemon burst here. One stroke of paint here. It's pretty transparent, and we'll put a stroke here. Rinse my brush, remove all the excess moisture. I don't want moisture in my brush when I'm doing this test. I just pretty much want straight paint. This is the Fairway Green. It's a nice color. Alright, let's go into Dragon Teal here. Gorgeous, gorgeous teal color. Okay, next color is our Lavender Haze. I'm going to start it on the white and do a stroke on the white. This is a pretty opaque color, we can tell on that black for sure. Okay, then we're going to the Coral Buzz. This looks like a semi-transparent for one coat. This one's definitely opaque, definitely transparent. These three are more of a semi-transparent. I guess it depends on how much paint you would actually be laying down, because that could be an opaque one. Avocado Toast. I know I'm going to love this color. That's going to be a wonderful leaf color. Alright, let's go with the Gingham Blue here. Definitely opaque. Alright, Love Potion is next. I love the name, Love Potion. Potion, definitely transparent. Beautiful color though. Alright, Crimson Red. Very nice color. Okay, I'm getting an idea of how these will look on dark colors. It's always helpful. Alright, this one is Fresh Mango. Try not to get all those ridges when I paint it. Make it a little bit longer here. think some of the names they've chosen are really good names. All right, then we're going to go to Grecian Blue. Put some water on my paper there. This is Grecian Blue. Such a pretty color, even on black. That's so pretty. Okay, then our last color is Amazement. I like the name, Amazement. Okay, so there we have one coat of each color on black and white. It's pretty clear to see what is opaque or has more opacity to it, and what is a little bit more transparent. Definitely transparent, transparent, transparent. I'm gonna say that one's a semi. Maybe the green is a little semi in the fresh mango. And the rest of them look pretty good. Let me hold it up a little bit into the light so you can see. We can see a little bit through that one, and a little bit through this one, and a little bit through that one. Transparent, transparent, transparent. And so that's going to put the rest of these more as an opaque color. Let's do a second layer on these and see if that changes them at all. So we're going to start with our yellow. Lemon Burst, so I'm just going to do half of this on here. Still pretty transparent. So I don't see much difference other than, you know, you can tell I've got more paint there. Okay, let's go to the green. We'll do half of it. And half of it here. Just go down the line on each one of these and Dragon Teal. That Dragon Teal is so pretty. Alright, Lavender. This is pretty opaque anyway, so it, you know, probably won't really change. A second coat won't really change this other than to make it just slightly darker. Coral Buzz, pretty opaque. Avocado Toast, which I just had for breakfast this morning. Love avocado toast. Alright, Cerulean Blue, or Gingham Blue, sorry. Had Cerulean Blue on my brain there. This is Gingham. Nice. Now this Love Potion, definitely transparent. You can barely see it on the black. It's a very pretty color though. Will make a beautiful glazing color. Okay, Crimson Red. Just doing half. Okay, looking this mango, fresh mango. It's a pretty opaque color, I think. Over there on the white, on the yellow, on the black. I would have to say it's more of a semi-opaque, so I guess it depends on what color you're putting it down on. Grecian. This is Grecian blue. And then we've got our Amazement. Alright. Those look really, really nice. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on them a little bit so you can see how they look. Okay, we've got one coat and two coats. One coat on the left side, two coats on the right side, so you can see the difference. These two don't really change much. This one doesn't change, this one doesn't change, but the others you can see a slight change to. That's on the black. And on the white, one and two coats, you can definitely tell opaque, opaque, opaque. That's pretty much, I know this is definitely opaque, this is opaque, this is opaque. You know, this one, semi-opaque, I guess. Transparent, transparent, semi, yeah. So we can definitely tell. Definitely transparent, transparent, semi. That could be a semi. This one looks like a semi-opaque here on the black, but on the white it has excellent coverage. So this is just to show you how it looks on a black or white background here. So you can see all these beautiful colors on black and white, so you can make a choice on what you want to use on your design. Beautiful colors for 2025. Thank you, DecoArt, for bringing out such gorgeous colors for us. And I am going to get ready to work up a design using some of these colors, so be watching for that. Thanks for joining me today, you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.